Hey, 10th grade. So, a lot of people were having problems turning in their plant report. And so, if you've been assigned this assignment, it means that I believe that you can improve your grade, or maybe you just never had a chance to turn it in, or you got confused about it. Whatever your reason is, I'm here to help. So, here is the document for the plant report. And today we're going to be working on two things: the cover page and the heading and title. And if we have time, we'll work on the introduction paragraph. But for the most part, all we're going to be completing today is step 1 and 2. Okay, so the cover page and the heading and title are all this first part right here, and it's worth 6 points. So what you're going to want to do is, if you don't have your plant report, and you need to start from scratch, you're going to go into your Google Drive, you're going to click on New, and you're going to make a new Google Doc. The first thing you're going to want to do is where it says Untitled Document in the top corner, you're going to want to name it. So this is Plant Report. And if you can put your initials on the end so that it's easier for me to tell them apart. And then you have your heading, and that's going to be on the left-hand side. And you have your first name and your last name. You have your class. You have your teacher, which is me. And you have the date that it's due. I'm going to be giving you guys 2 weeks to complete this assignment. So if you get it done sooner than 2 weeks, that's fantastic. You can email me to figure out how to turn that in. So the 17th is Friday. So the day that will be due is the 21st. So it's going to be April 24th, 2020. Okay. So then I want to add a title. And if you don't remember the plant that you chose when we chose those packet of seeds, you can choose something really simple. I'm just going to choose pinto beans because it's a vegetable that I know, right off the bat. Pinto beans. If you want to do some research on that, that's absolutely fine. So the second part of my title needs to be, if I go back to my directions, it needs to be the scientific name, the binomial nomenclature. So I need to look that up. So pinto beans science name. And as it's searching, there it is. So I'll just Control C. I'll come over to my plant report and I'll do Control V. And then I need to find a picture of this. So I can come over to Images. And I like this picture of the plant. So I'm going to copy this image and I'm going to paste it into my part. Now, the very last thing that I need to do here is highlight this whole area. I need to make sure that I have Times New Roman because we're doing this in the right format. I need to make sure that it's size 12. I need to make sure that it's black. I need to make sure that it's double spaced. And as I go on, I need to make sure now that I'm on page 2. And this is where we'll stop for today. So right here, just this has earned you 6 points. Okay, so don't turn this project in until you're completely finished with everything on it. Just watch the video each day for help. If you need help, let me know. Bye.